Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Modern Art Puzzle.
This puzzle was designed by Siebenstein Spiele in Germany. It has difficulty level 9 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to fit all parts into the tray. This puzzle is made in laser cut wood. It has 8 parts, 7 of them are packed into the tray and the last piece is right here on top. As you can see, all these 7 parts are pretty well packed into the tray and it looks like there is no space for the last piece. And I would say that to put 7 parts into the tray is very difficult. You can't do it just by putting random parts in random places. You have to think a lot to put all 7 parts inside. But to fit the last piece here, it's almost impossible. It's gonna take you hours, maybe even days to figure out the solution. Since, for example, some parts, if you try to put them together, I'll grab the tiniest part and one of the biggest parts and try to put them, for example, like this. It looks like this part is gonna fit almost. But if you take a closer look, there is just a tiny part here that doesn't allow this piece to be fit here. And that happens with many other parts. When you think that it is pretty easy to put this part and, for example, another part together, but always just the one tiny piece is not gonna let you do it. So it's gonna be very difficult to figure out the way how to put all 8 parts into the tray. If you like modern art puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.